Over 200,000 refugees who are in the camp, and their luck is much. So one of the things that we came and put forward was to make an appeal to the world for those who have something to share with them, those who have opportunity to use whatever they have to send it to them. The group that we are looking at who are very vulnerable are the women and the children.
We flag off the relief to Nakivale refugee settlement camp, to the refugees that came from the Democratic Republic of Congo, that we saw in April 22nd up to 2025 when I visited with the provincial secretary, and the appeal was launched in the entire Church of Uganda. And we are so grateful to the Anglican Relief Development Fund for committing $30,000 that has enabled Church of Uganda to purchase this relief. We have 800 pieces of washing soap, we have 800 pieces of bathing soap, we have 800 pieces of women knickers, we have 400 pieces of buckets, we have sanitary pads, we also have clothes that have been gathered from different Christians of our church. We are so grateful and we feel concerned about our brothers and sisters who are in Nakivale refugee settlement camp